So I bought another Nintendo Switch dock. Is it because mine is broken? Nope. My old one is right here, still perfectly fine. Why did you buy a second one? Well, it's because I want to do the small portable Switch mod, where I take out the logic board of the original Switch dock into this plastic casing. Why don't you just buy a portable dock off of Amazon or something? Wouldn't that be cheaper? No third-party manufacturer actually knows how the Nintendo Switch draws power from the dock. And Nintendo uses a special proprietary protocol for the Switch, which, by the way, no one can find out how to copy. And that's how they find out if you're using a fake or unofficial dock. And once they do find out you're using one, then your console gets completely bricked, causing you to lose all that saved data. So technically, it's cheaper to just avoid all of that by getting another official Switch dock. So that's why you should only use official Nintendo Switch dock motherboards. The dock came early, but I'm still waiting for the plastic casing to come. So let's test out the dock. So far so good. I plugged in my 3DS charger and it's charging the 3DS. Now let's put in the Switch. Green light flashed. Turning it on. And yeah, it looks like it works. Yay, it works. What about Ethernet? Yes, Ethernet works. What about the second USB slot? Or the top one? Yeah, that works. So now that we can confirm that this dock is working, let's take out the motherboard, since that's all I need for this transformation thing. Ugh, it won't fit into the hole. I need a smaller one. A smaller one. Make sure you screw it in super tight. Super tight. Why? I'm using this extra plastic only dock to smash for a future video. So I'm screwing them in really tight. Last screw. And also, I have 3 of these extra small screws. I don't know where I'm supposed to put them, but whatever. I'm smashing it anyway. Looks brand new. Not really though. It looks weird with nothing here. It's here! And I didn't feel like censoring my address by taking a marker and scribbling it out because I would waste ink, so I just put some random Pocky wrapper here. For Nintendo Switch dock, similar. No, that does not say similar. That says smaller, not similar. Easy to carry, precisely cut. On the back, here's a QR code, email, nothing else. On the sides of the box, Myrion, I don't know how to pronounce that. Screws, screwdriver, don't really think I need that. Here's how it would look if it was closed. Fits really nice actually. Nope, that's the wrong way. You line up the ports to be like this, and then the USB-C connector folds over like that. I want to put the circuit board in here while still keeping the LED light, but I don't know how to keep it because there's no cutout for it. Screwdrivers, I don't need them, but why not? Maybe I'll smash the screwdrivers in the video too. As you can see, this is the extra switch dock. There's no circuit board in here. I still haven't smashed it yet, so maybe I'll smash the screwdrivers too as a bonus. Tiny little bonus. Here are the screws. Don't want to lose them, so I'll just put it on my phone so it's easy to see. Oh yeah, they're different sizes, so I gotta be careful about that too. Oh my god, that's a lot of screws. The rubber feet. Oh my god, that's a lot of extra screws. I don't know what to do with them. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be using this many. So this is what it looks like when it's kind of closed up. Still not really sure what to do with the LED light because I want to keep it in here as well, but there's nowhere to put it. I want to keep it in the front, but it doesn't reach, so I can't do that. Okay, I found this Reddit post where they simply took the LED thing and put a hole in the casing, and then they have a light. So I want to try that. And it looks pretty clean too. So according to this image on Reddit, it looks like the little plastic piece goes exactly right here. About right on this corner. Yeah, this is not very good lighting. I got some progress done. It doesn't go down completely at a 90-degree angle, but whatever. Still have some progress to do. Yay, it fits now, but it's not even a perfect cut because you can see how it's like cut in a V shape. So there's some space on the right side right here, but like, whatever. Lint roller. I think putting it on like this will fit or work. Okay, I think this will work because the LED is right there and it's like pointing directly into the transparent plastic and it holds up pretty well. I think having it sit like that is good. The tape will hold the cable down. There we go. I don't really think I'll need to tape in the USB-C connector cable. So there are 5 small screws and 9 large screws, but I don't know where they go. I don't see 14 holes, so I don't know what to do with the other screws. I guess I'll just use the small screws on the inside of the housing, and the larger screws will go on the outside. Never mind, the small screws don't fit on the inside, so I'm not sure what those are for. Large screws. The screwdriver sucks. And whatever, I'm just gonna use my main screwdriver. Much better. Yeah, I'm not sure what the small screws are for. They're not fitting into any of the holes. I do see this. It looks like these two are screw holes, but I don't know how I'm gonna screw the small screws in. Like the USB connector is in the way, so how are you gonna put some screws in there? Okay, yeah, let's just close this up. It's not moving around, so I guess that's perfect. Not bad. Alright, let's test it out. Will it fit into the hole? Yes, it does. Does it fall out when I hold it like this? Kind of. Falls out, but not as easily. I had to shake it a little bit. Okay, removing my original dock. The dock that I will always keep with me. This is the top side of the USB, and as you see, it doesn't go in because the USB port's Australian. And now the AC adapter looks perfect. Does it charge my 3DS? And yes, it does. Okay, now the switch. Saw the green light turn on. Now turn on the switch. Hey, the green light's working. Yes. Actually, I haven't even tested if both ports work at the same time yet. My USB-C cable, Pro controller. USB, 3DS is charging. Yay. I have a portable switch dock now. And no, the screen doesn't turn on and nothing happens if you click the buttons. Because the switch thinks it's in the normal dock where the screen's being covered up. So yes, now I have a portable switch dock that I can take anywhere easily without the normal dock taking up a bunch of space. Look at how tiny this thing is compared to the original dock. Basically the same thing as this, except in a smaller form factor. Much smaller. So basically I just ripped this part off. That's basically what this mod is. Now to install the rubber feet. Don't know why you guys would want to see me do this part, but oh well. Yay. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Need to hide my address, so I'm gonna stick some random Pocky wrapper on here. Tape. You guys don't need to know where I live.